Hello everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So it is finale time. So Courtney and I teamed up and we decided to do a Finish 6 by Christmas Project Pan. And I know a lot of people are doing variations of this, so that's really cool. I will show you any sort of progress that I made, which honestly isn't that much. I kind of fell off the face of the earth with this project, but that's okay. Let's just get into it and I'll explain as I go. Also, I'm on my second glass of rosé, so if things get a little bit fun in this video, I blame it on that. So, let's start with the non-progress and head into the progress, because, you know, that's how progress works. So, first thing is, I did not use this glass bowl shade once in this update, so I'm not even going to touch on that at all. I also sadly did not use this midnight shade, but you can tell that I used it as eyeliner a couple of times. I should have used it today in my outer V. I don't know really what I was thinking there. Actually, I do. I was forgetting completely about this shadow and how it was in this project. I have here the Cookie lipstick, and I did not use this at all. To be fair, or whatever, I don't know if that's really fair, I have not been wearing lipstick pretty much at all this update, just because, like, I just wasn't feeling it. My lips actually, like, hurt. They're very sore. I'm not sure what that is. They're very dry and they're very sore, so I don't know what that is exactly. So I kind of didn't really want to wear any lip products. And this entire project, I failed at wearing the Makeup Forever red lipstick. I am so sad about that. I really thought I was going to be able to finish that off, but red is a very bold and exciting and attention-drawing color, so I didn't really feel that way this update. The only progress that I made, and I might have shown this in the last video, I can't remember, the last update, is the white Lorac eyeshadow. I did hit pan. I was trying to finish it off. Again, I kind of forgot that I had this in a project. I don't know how that happened because I've been using the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and I'm always like, I need a white shadow to set it. I used this for a while and then I forgot about it. So that was a fail on my end, but I did hit pan, so that is something. And last but not least, I also did not use the Stila glitter in Kitten Karma. It is gorgeous. It is a very high maintenance product though, and I did not feel like doing that for work. But in the second, how many updates have we had? I don't know. In the first, so we had the intro video, we had the first update, and the second update, and the third update, or the second update, I don't know. In the second video, I said I had worn this 3 times, and I was very proud of myself, but then the holidays hit, and I just kind of got way too lazy for makeup. I would actually not even do eyeshadow. Like, for a few days in the week, I just didn't wear eyeshadow. So I'm not surprised that I didn't even wear glitter. Let's just put it that way. But thank you to Courtney for collabing with me as usual, and it was always so much fun to collab with you. And in the new year, I hope I can see you and exchange some things with you because I have a couple of goodies for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Definitely go check her out. I know you guys will love her. And Merry Christmas to you and Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!